How can I get dictionary key as variable directly in Python, not by searching from value? Sorry for this basic question, but my searches on this are not turning up anything other than how to get a dictionary's key based on its value, which I would prefer not to use, as I simply want the text/name of the key, and am worried that searching by value may end up returning 2 or more keys if the dictionary has a lot of entries. What I am trying to do is this. The reason for this is that I am printing these out to a document, and I want to use the key name and the value in doing this. I have seen the method below, but this seems to just return the key's value.
You should iterate over keys with
If you want to access both the key and value, use the following: Python 2, Python 3, The reason for this is that I am printing these out to a document, and I want to use the key name and the value in doing this. Based on the above requirement, this is what I would suggest.
If the dictionary contains one pair like this, then you can get as. For Python 3.5, do this.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.